Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a Warli painting on a watercolor paper. This is about 6 inches by 8 inches watercolor paper that I took, and I'm taping it with a masking tape just so that it won't move. And this is the acrylic paint that I'm doing. So Warli is a special kind of art from India. So it's a traditional painting from India that I will show you the basics of how to do that. So once the paper is taped, then I use the yellow acrylic paint. You can use any brand, just apply yellow. And just to let you know, you can make the same painting in acrylic pad or even canvas, so it doesn't really matter. And add some red into that to create an orange shade, and then again bright red. So it creates a transition from the dark red to yellow. So blend it smoothly. And once it's blended and I dried the layer, I'm adding black acrylic paint with a thin brush and adding some figures to the painting. Generally, Warli painting has a triangular shape bodies. So it's like a geometric shapes that you can randomly make. I'm making a triangle first, and then later on we'll be adding other shapes. Then I'm using a Posca pen to draw a circle and a few lines. Then using some markers to add some more colors to this painting. You can use Posca markers or any other markers that you have, it doesn't really matter. So adding some greens and finishing it off. If this is your first time coming to my channel, could you please subscribe and also click the notification bell icon, so whenever I post a new video, you will be the first one to get notified. And thank you for watching. I'll let you watch the remaining portion of the videos how I color it.